So right here we have the ACURITE digital instant read thermometer. It's got a folding probe that's stainless steel. It goes up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, negative 40 Fahrenheit. Tells you on the back of the package what it recommends for the poultry, beef, lamb, anything that you got to test the products with to make sure you're getting safe food while you're cooking it. We're going to open the package. We're going to test it out and see what everything's like and see how it works. So, and I also have this knife that I'm going to do a review on. It's a whole knife set. I'll be doing that here shortly. So let's open this up real quick. Just nice and neat. No need to rip the whole thing open. Just want to keep it nice and neat and safe. All right. There we go. Alrighty, within the package we have the Instant Read thermostat, ACURITE. It comes with directions that are taped down. Move that out of the way. Just take your knife and get up in there. There we go. And just peel that right on off. For testing purposes, I do have a hand warmer. That way we can see how it works. Directions, they unfold. Oh, nice. There's two sets. Spanish, American, or English language. Very small. Need reading glasses or magnifier to read some of it. I can read it way out here. That's fine. Just, again, tells you how to work it, what to use with it. The thermostat will beep when a stable temperature is observed. So just telling you what it's going to do. Alrighty. So here we go. This is the unit, and on the back it has the temperature gauge for the meat that you would like to make sure it's cooked properly. Here's the probe. Comes all the way out to there. You can fold it in if you want to, wherever you need it, convenient. We'll go ahead and peel the sticker off and see if it has a battery. Probably does not. I did not check that. Alrighty, I'll be right back. It does not come with a battery. I should have checked that, but I did not. So if you flip it over here, you'll see this tab, just pry there, comes up. Got my little battery. Put that right in. It turns on automatically when you put the battery in. Then snap that back, you're good to go. There you are. All right, change it back and forth to Celsius, Fahrenheit. Here's the heat pad. So it works quite nice. It's pretty light. Fold it up, put it in your pocket. Yeah, it works just fine. Switch it over to Celsius. And back. Okay, there you go. There you have it. I will be doing a food channel starting tomorrow as we have the holiday. And happy holidays. Support the veterans, or the lost veterans, actually. Memorial Day, we got to remember that. So, all right, there you go. That is the ACURITE meat thermometer, or instant read thermometer. Goodbye. Like and subscribe. Thank you.